Hey guys, how you doing? Mowers and Blowers here again. Today I'm going to be unpacking and reviewing this cheap little plug-in to your cigarette lighter fan I got from my my Ford Ranger XLT flare side. This truck I got, as you guys know, for free. Well, not really free. I traded a snowblower for it last summer, and it's been great, man. Runs great, has a check engine light on. I can't get rid of it. It's code P1443. I just can't clear it. I've gotten every little damn part for it that does the emissions. But anyway, so it doesn't have AC, you know. Heat works good, but it doesn't have AC. And if you guys know, in Long Island, in New York, in the summers, it's hotter than hell. So I needed a little fan, you know, even with the windows down and the back thing out, it's still going to be hotter than hell. So I saw this on eBay. It's obviously a Chinese little trinket thing. Anyway, so I just got in the mail. It took a while to get here, but it was only $4.98 with shipping. So all I spent was less than $5 for this thing. All right, so I don't have high expectations, but nevertheless, if it gives me a little bit of a breeze at idle, you know, if I'm sitting at a light or something, well worth it. In the summertime, you don't want to sweat your head off. So we're unboxing it here for the first time. Just got it in the mail a couple of days ago, but it's been kind of chilly, so. Mother of God. Alright, there it is. That's it. It's very light. Really flimsy. Very light plastic. Has that ball joint here for the suction cup. I don't know, you guys think that'll work? Works. Yeah, sure it works. It's retarded. And then you plug that in. Ooh. This doesn't work. It's a piece of junk. Oh my God. $5. You know, I'm gonna email this guy. Usually in those guys from China, they want good feedback, so if they're gonna pay they're gonna pay me back my $5 to get good feedback, they'll do it. I don't care. Probably cost them nothing, you know, 60 cents. Anyway, I'm gonna plug it in. Ooh. All right, so ooh, it's a good breeze, man. It's a good breeze, powerful breeze. It'll be great for the summer. Of course, it could be deceiving because, of course, it's 30 degrees here in New York, so the breeze is really cold, you know? But I can imagine myself 90 degrees, 95 degrees, sitting at a red light with no AC, and you know, the fans to these things is a joke. You don't get any kind of breeze. But this'll work, man, as long the suction cup thing sucks, but you know, has an on and off switch too. Maybe if I lick it. Ugh. I hope I don't get diseases. Yeah, that doesn't work. So if I had a better suction cup, you know, this probably would work. You know, maybe in the summertime when it's a little bit more rubbery, that might do it, you know? So in the summertime when it's hot and the temperature is so hot on the windshield, this suction cup may work better because it'll be rubbery and soft. Actually, now it seems okay. So that's pretty cool, man. $5? Obviously, I'm not going to drive like that. I'm going to put it like over there or something. But for $4.98, man. It's worth it. You think that noise would drive you crazy for driving? I think it might. Anyway, see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.